Hey Peaches, what is up? Today I have a very short but fun video for you guys. I just got home from work and I had in the mail another Pixi PR package. I did an unboxing of my first PR packages a little while back. I'll have that one linked at the top of the video so that you guys can go check that one out. It was this huge package from Pixi. It was a bunch of really great stuff from them, and I've seen some people post this one already. Suki. But I have intentionally not looked at it because I wanted to be surprised. Let me have this. Thank you. I'm sorry. You can have your baby back in just a minute, okay? Thank you. We'll wait for it. Just a minute, okay? Can you be very patient? I think you can. So the couple of videos that I did see on Instagram stories and everything with this, which was only a couple, I was like, I'm not gonna click on these, so I went through them really quickly so I wouldn't know what was in here. So we're gonna go ahead and open. It's a big surprise to me. I'm pretty sure this is skincare stuff again, which is what I got in the last box, which I was really excited about because Pixi has some really good makeup and skincare. And yeah, I'm like happy to be building that part of my collection. I already had a few things from them, but obviously the last PR package helped a whole lot. You need to check that out. Suki is like my drug dog. Does this look good? All right, thank you a lot for checking. So when you open, it just is this big Pixi. Ooh, it's a big jar. Cute. Okay, let's see. This is so cute. It looks like almost like a protein powder kind of container, and it says vitamin C daily dose of skin brightening, 5 power packed skin treats. When you take the lid off, I'm gonna just grab something here. First of all, the smell is amazing. We're just gonna grab something out of here. This is the vitamin C lotion. Y'all don't know how excited I am because if I'm being honest with you, I'm noticing my wrinkles a little bit more. Not that I have like wrinkles, but I definitely am starting to, you know, feel closer to 30, which is fine. Bubba, hey baby, can you come here? So anything vitamin C right now, I am like sucking it in every way I can get it. So this is really exciting to have a whole package. So vitamin C lotion, this is vitamin C and Ferulic acid. I'm not sure how to say that. This is a brightening moisturizer. So this has vitamin C for brightening, ferulic, is that how you would say that? Acid, which is antioxidant boost. Probiotics, protects, balances. And yeah, that's really, really neat. So let's see, let's get it out of the package here and see. I'm gonna put everything back in it to take a picture, which I should have done first, but I wanted you guys to like experience opening it with me. Really nice. I love too that Pixi doesn't skimp on PR packages, even the ones that I have not gotten, the ones I've seen other people get before I was a part of this program. They really, it's not like they're sending you like a one-use lotion, like a little sample size. They're really, really good to the people that they send PR to. This is for all skin types, it says, so really nice. Love the yellow. Next, vitamin C caviar balm with the same ingredients. This is a brightening leave-on mask. Yes, Pixi masks are like my favorite thing right now. I have a couple from the last PR package, and this is like a weird thing probably to say, but one of them, it's not the glow on, I don't think. I think it's the other one. Maybe it is like the prettiest color that I just want to look at it. Like I just want to put it on to look at it. It's this really bright green. So pretty. Anyways, the vitamin C caviar balm. So this has the same vitamin C, the acid, and probiotics in it. This says encapsulated vitamin mask. Vitamin C has potent antioxidant power promoting healthy collagen production and is known to boost skin's luminosity. I also am all about a leave-on products because if I can't like multitask or like put it on and get on with my day, I'm not so great at it. I love their mask bottles too. They all have this really cool like twist off top to them. Just so good. Holy cow, that's so big. This is the vitamin C juice cleanser with orange flower water, brightening cleanser. That's so big. I thought this was a toner at first. I was like, supersized toner. This is so exciting to me because I haven't ever had any of like their cleansing type products. So brightening cleanser, let's look at this. It says brightening antioxidant cleansing water with stable vitamin C for potent antioxidant effect. The acid that I don't know how to say, and probiotics help to preserve and protect skin. It says you can use this daily, apply over face with cotton pad or with your hands, no need to rinse. Wow. Spot on. Would you guys want to see a video of me testing some of this stuff out? Because I could definitely do that too. That's what I thought that one was. So this is the bottle I have of like the Glow Tonic. That's what I was thinking it was, and I was like, this is like a gigantic one. So this is the Vitamin C Tonic, and I have had their Glow Tonic, and what's the other one that's like their big one? I can't remember the name of it. Maybe it's just the tonic? Glow Tonic? That's it. Glow Tonic and then the Retinol Tonic. I've had both of those before, so I really do like their tonics. I just said tonics like a lot in that sentence. But this promotes healthy collagen production and is known to boost skin luminosity as well, so I'm about to be real glowy. These probiotics help fortify skin's barrier while willow bark and fruit extracts gently exfoliate. Great for all skin types. I'm sorry if me reading the back of this is like not an interesting fact, but I like to do that because you guys obviously can't like rotate it and look at it, and something I do in the store is always pick up a product and look at ingredients, look at the back, see like is this good for my skin type and everything else. So I hope that that's helpful. Oh, I was so hoping I would get a serum. This is the Vitamin C Serum. So I only have one Vitamin C serum right now. I love that one too, and I was hoping to get another one if I got this package. Same ingredients, and let's see. This provides a boost of immediate and long-term radiance, reduce the effects of sun damage and free radicals, helping to improve skin tone and create a smoother complexion. It says use daily after toning and cleansing and toning. Sorry, I was gonna say cleansing and tonic. Cleansing and toning. So nice. Let's open this one up and see. Ooh, it has your little dropper to the side. I love it so much. I hope you guys can see everything. It's really bright on my camera because we're downstairs. Well, that's everything, you guys. Again, thank you, Pixi, so much for being so inclusive. I obviously don't have a huge following, which, side note, I want you guys to help me get to 3,000 subscribers here because I really want to host like a super good giveaway. So number one, tell me what you would want to win in a giveaway down below, but also subscribe to my channel so that I can do a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. And then my plan would be, if I can like get a little extra money going, I can do monthly giveaways for you guys, which I think would be really fun. Yeah. Back to Pixi. I just really appreciate you guys because having a little bit of a smaller audience and still having the opportunity to have PR is a really great experience because it's great to build your collection with these products, obviously makeup or skincare or whatever it is. But for me personally, the thing I like is to be able to kind of work with a company, not that I get paid to talk about this or something like that. I just mean getting to have a few relationships within a company is a really great opportunity, and this is one that they're always really, really good with their PR packages. If you guys are ever bored, search the hashtag Pixi PR or Pixi Pretties on Instagram, and there's so many good packages. It's unbelievable. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing with you guys since I was so excited to do it. I wanted you guys to have the excitement with me. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe before you go. Bye!